Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be showcasing you guys how we can scrap unlimited local businesses using Octoparse to scrap Google Maps. So as you can see on my screen that I have searched restaurants in Berlin, Germany, and I have been getting all the listings. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how we can scrap all of the leads for you. So before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I have been doing web scraping for the past 4 years. So if you have any project or if you want to work with me, you can contact me on my email that's shown on your screen. So now let's get started with the tutorial. So first thing you can see, you have to choose your keyword plus location. So in this instance, I'm using restaurants in Berlin, Germany on Google search, and I'm getting these listings, right? So what the next thing I'll do is I'll click on more places. So this will actually open up the main listing of Google Maps. So you can see I've got the pagination and everything. So the next thing that I'll do is I'll copy this URL from above, the unique URL that it has created. I'll copy that and I'll open up my Octoparse dashboard. Now the Octoparse dashboard for you will look like this. So the next thing that you will do is click on new, click on custom task. Okay. Once that is being done, we will click on and paste our URL that we copied. Now we'll click on save. Now I will wait until the website is loaded. Now this will show like this, but don't you worry about that. The thing that you have to do to show the results is basically go to your task settings and go to the run options and wait. Now from browser user agent, change this to Edge, from Edge to Chrome 107 and then click on save. Now you will see the listings will load for you. So now once the listings are loaded, the next thing that you will do is click, you will make a loop. So that loop will actually detect all of the listings excluding the sponsored leads, and it will actually detect it. So the next thing that we'll do is click on this save add step and then click on loop. Now if you click on this loop item, we can see this loop mode. Now we want to change this to variable list because we want to paste in our own XPath. So the XPath list that I have made for you here, guys, is you don't have to worry about this. You don't have to write any line of code. You just have to copy this from the pinned comments. So I will just paste this in the pinned comments. So you will copy this. So I'll copy this from here, and now I'll open up my October screen. Now if I paste this XPath here and I'll click on apply and save, and I'll click on got it. And the next thing I'll click again on loop item and scroll down. Then you will see that it is detected all of the listings excluding the sponsored one. And now great, next thing we'll do is click on options, wait before action to at least 2 seconds. That's a healthy practice to do to actually load the listings properly. And click on apply, click on save. Okay, now the next thing that we will do now is you can see the loop item is detected. So we'll keep it like this, and then the next thing we'll do is click here and we'll get the extract data text. So what this will basically do, this will get us the title of the restaurant. So you can see we are getting all the 20 lines of restaurant lines of code. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to actually click on each listing to get the leads. Now you can also get the star rating. So if I click on click, you can see. So I'll name this listing, this column as star ratings. So once that is done, now I need to click on each listing to get the address, the phone number. So what I need to do is I'll click here on one listing, making sure it is inside the loop, and then click on click element. Now this will actually click on each of the listings for us. So if I show you, click on loop item here and open up and click here, you can see it will actually load one by one each listing for us. The next thing we will do is we need the website URL. So we'll get the website. So click on website and click on this A tag because we need a link. Once that is being detected, we get the link, and you can see a new extract data button has been created, and we name this column as website URL. So you can see we have got the website URL. Now the next thing we'll do is click on address, grab the XPath for address, and we got the address as well. The next thing we need is the phone number. To get the phone number, we'll just click here, get the phone number. and click here to get the phone. Now we have got the listing level. You can add more fields as well. Then now we'll click on options, clear wait before action to 2 seconds at least, click on apply and then click on save. Now we need to do pagination in order to like go to the next page. For this we'll just click here on next page and then we'll click on loop click. What this will do is this will create a pagination to go to the next page. So if I scroll down, you can see it's going to next page and it will go in loop. So I'll check this one more time to make sure it's going actually to third page as well. Okay, so this is basically it. Now we'll just run the script bot and you will see the end results. So I'll just click on standard mode. Now I'll fast forward this and stop at a few listings to show you guys the end results. So as you can see guys, I've stopped the bot actually at 11 listings, but you can run it to scrap as many leads as you want. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.